Are you listening? Damn.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into House World, and today we got Lookie in the building, and this watch face is called Lookie number 16. Now, this is the 24-hour watch face. I know you'll be happy about that. And in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look as you would when the watch face is on. Still not a bad look. You'll be able to see your digital time and other information at a glance with no problem. Now, once the watch face is on, up at the top, you will get your day and your date. Also, you get a nice big bold digital time, which looks retro. You come down, you will get battery percentage. You'll get a nice moon phase right there, steps, miles walked or ran, estimated seconds, and your heart rate. And yes, people, it is inactive, so if you need to go deeper into the status to find out what you did for the week, for the month, you can. Same thing for your steps, your calories burned, your steps, floors climbed, how much you've slept. Tap up at the top on the date, you will be able to bring up your calendar. So this watch face offers quite a bit. I like it. Now you get these little plus signs, right? If you double tap right there, you can set a favorite, which everybody is pretty much doing nowadays. So this makes life a little bit more convenient when you're trying to get to your favorite applications. You got another one over here also. So you get 4 in all, which isn't bad. But then you can also customize the color up to 8 different colors. Just double tap in the middle of the time and keep cycling through till you see the color you like. And then you're in there. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this watch face. We got one that we thought you might want to see, just in case you haven't seen Lookie number 1. Lookie number 1 is sharp. So let's check it out. Lookie number 1. This one is nice. I like Lookie number 1. One of my favorite watch faces from Lookie. Now, in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. You're going to get a nice bluish color in the always on mode for the Gears 2, the Gears 3, the Gears Sport, and the Galaxy Watch. Now, once the watch face is on, I like the stack time. You get your day and your date at the top, get miles walked or ran, step info, calories burned, your heart rate, and you get your battery meter down at the bottom. And it is inactive, so if you need to make a phone call, simply tap right there. Same thing if you want to get your weather. And you can go ahead and check it to your text messages right here, people. So I'm thinking if you haven't checked this one out, you might want to check this one out in the Gear Manager store. And I can single tap and I can change the colors to the left and the right. Nice. Very nice. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.